In today's video, I'll teach you how to use DoorDash gift card. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in DoorDash.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of DoorDash. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to use the gift card, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is look at left. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, account, that you can see at last. Now you'll be able to find various options related with your account over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for gift card. So what you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the gift card interface of DoorDash. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this section for have a DoorDash gift card. Click on this option, redeem, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to redeem your gift card. What you have to do is simply enter your PIN over here. Simply locate the pin in your gift card. If you have the physical gift card, you'll be able to see it in the gift card itself. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the pin in the e-gift card. So what you have to do is enter the pin over here. Now after you enter the pin, click on this option, redeem to your account, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the gift card will be redeemed. Now in the checkout interface, this gift card will be automatically selected as the payment method. So that is how you use gift card on DoorDash. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.